Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to get this dramatic purpley smoky eye. So if you'd like to see how to get this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Confetti. And I'm gonna apply this all over the lid and in my inner corners. And this is gonna act like a base for the shadows we're about to apply next. So now I'm picking up the Sigma Brilliant and Spellbinding palette, and I'm going to apply this soft pink eyeshadow in my crease using a fluffy blending brush. I'm also going to pull this down onto my lower lash line and in the outer corners. Next I'm going to mix these two purple eyeshadows from Inglot. And I'm pretty much applying this in the same place I put the pink shade to add more depth. I don't know the numbers of the shadows, but I will make sure to put it in the description box for you guys as always. Here I'm taking this bright metallic blue shade from the Fenty Beauty Galaxy eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to press this color onto my lid and lower lash line using a flat eyeshadow brush. Then I'm just taking my blending brush again and I'm going to blend out the harsh edges. For the inner part of the lid, I'm now going to press on the Inglot Pure Pigment eyeshadow in the shade 112. And these pigments will forever be my favorites. They're just so pretty. Okay, time for more eyeshadows. I know I used a million shades for this look, but really, I just wanted to play around with eyeshadows when I sat down to film this video, so I'm sorry about that. But anyways, here I just used Obsidian and Osiris from the ABH Prism palette in my outer corners and crease to darken the look. Next I'm picking up this metallic pink eyeshadow from the Fenty palette, and I'm just going to add a little bit onto the center of the lids for a pop of color. And as if that wasn't enough eyeshadow, I also added a little bit of this green one on the outer corners. Okay, now for the inner corners, I'm mixing this white and minty blue eyeshadow from the Fenty palette, and I'm just gonna apply it in the inner corners. Here I'm just adding a little bit of the matte black eyeshadow I used earlier to darken the lash line. And then I'm gonna go in with the Marc Jacobs Gel Eyeliner Crayon in the shade Grapevine and apply that one onto my waterline. Last but not least, I'm just gonna apply mascara and the Huda Beauty lashes in the style Sasha. And then I'm gonna finish off the look by doing my brows. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!